Hello everyone, my name is Aditi Agade and my coordinator name is Sukanya Adhikari and Vaishnavi Barsane. We are studying in final year B Pharmacy from Shivajiram S. Sondale College of Pharmacy. We are prepared this presentation on the topic regarding anti-HIV drugs under the guidance of Dr. Nitin Mohire Sir, Professor and Principal of our college. What is HIV? HIV is a human immunodeficiency virus. Is a virus that attacks the body's immune system. It causes the AIDS acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Is a chronic and life-threatening condition. Introduction. HIV is a typical retrovirus. Retrovirus is a type of virus that inserts a copy of its RNA genome into the DNA of a host cell in order to replicate. The virus is found in two major forms, HIV-1 and HIV-2. This is the structure of HIV virus. Etiology. AIDS is caused by HIV, a human retrovirus. Two types, HIV-1 and HIV-2, which are genetically different but has related forms. HIV-1 is most common type associated with AIDS in US, Europe and Central Africa. HIV-2 causes similar disease in West Africa and India. HIV-2 is transmitted less efficiently than HIV-1. Mode of transmission. HIV is transmitted by various routes like sexual contact, blood exposure, transmission from mother to baby by breastfeeding, then organ transplantation, artificial insemination. The life cycle of HIV virus. 5 stages of HIV life cycle is entry, reverse transcription, integration, transcription and maturation. First stage is attachment and binding. HIV attaches first to CD4 receptor and then binds to co-receptor either CCRS or CXCR4. Fusion. HIV fuses with CD4 membrane and then uncoats its contents into the cell. Second stage is reverse transcription. Inside the CD4 cell, HIV releases and uses reverse transcriptase, an enzyme, to convert HIV RNA to HIV DNA. Integration. Viral DNA is inserted into cell's DNA by the integrase enzyme. Fourth stage is transcription. Cells infected DNA transcribed into RNA by protease enzyme. And the last stage is maturation. Viral strands assemble and newly formed immature HIV pushes itself out of the host CD4 cell called budding. Then new free virus matures, getting ready to infect another cell. This is the whole HIV life cycle. Classification of anti-HIV drugs. First is nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitors. Example is zidovudine and stavudine. Second is non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitors. Example is efavirenz, nevirapine, delavirdine. Third is a nucleotide reverse transcriptase inhibitors. Example is tenofovir. Fourth is a protease inhibitors. Example is saquinavir, nelfinavir. Zidovudine is come under the class nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitor, which having the molecular formula C10H13N5O4. Pharmacodynamics of zidovudine. It inhibits the activity of HIV-1 reverse transcriptase. Mechanism of action. Zidovudine inhibits HIV-1 reverse transcriptase via DNA chain termination. Then it competes with natural substrate and incorporates itself into viral DNA and inhibits cellular DNA polymerase. Thus, it inhibits HIV replication without affecting uninfected cells. Uses of zidovudine. It used in the treatment of HIV infection in adults and children and for post-exposure prophylaxis. It used in alone or in combination for the prevention of prenatal and perinatal transmission to the baby by HIV-infected pregnant women. Side effects: headache, nausea, vomiting, fatigue, confusion and insomnia. Pharmacokinetics. Adsorption is oral. Bioavailability 64% oral. Distribution in all tissues. Volume distribution is 1.6 to 1.8 liter per kg. Plasma binding is greater than 38%. Metabolism organ is primarily liver and metabolite is 3-amino 3-deoxythymidine. Excretion is done by kidney. Safety precaution. Safe in children, yes. Indication that all age groups under doctor's prescription. It is safe in lactating mothers to prevent infection. It is safe in pregnancy to prevent placental infection. It interact with alcohol. Dose tablets 100 mg. Dosage form tablet and syrup. Brand name Retrovir 100 mg with company GSK Pharmaceutical Limited, which is cost around 200 for 10 tablets. Vitrozed 100 mg by company Ranbaxy Laboratories Limited, cost rupees 45. Non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitors. Nevirapine, which having the molecular formula C30H30N8O3. Pharmacodynamics of nevirapine drug. It blocks RNA-dependent, DNA-dependent polymerase, binding directly to reverse transcriptase. Mechanism of action. Nevirapine binds directly to reverse transcriptase and blocks the RNA-dependent and DNA-dependent DNA polymerase activities, which causes disruption of the enzyme's catalytic activity, which leads to inhibits viral RNA conversion to DNA. Uses: prevents HIV from multiplying in human body. Side effects: skin rashes, fever, nausea, fatigue, headache. Pharmacokinetics: absorption of nevirapine drug is oral. Bioavailability is 90 to 95% oral. Distribution is cerebrospinal fluid, placental barrier. Volume of distribution is 1.21 plus minus 0.09 liter per kg. Plasma binding is 60%. Metabolism organ is liver and its metabolite name is 12-hydroxynevirapine. Excretion organ is kidney. Safety precaution. Nevirapine is safe in children. Indication that more than 6-year-old. It is safe in lactating mother. Indication that prevent infection. It is not safe in pregnancy because it develops hepatotoxicity in fetus. It does not cause any food interaction. It is having the dose 200 mg tablet. It is available as a dosage form like tablet and syrup. It is sold under the name Nevimum 200 mg by Cipla Limited Company, which having a cost around rupees 150. Nucleotide reverse transcriptase inhibitor. The drug which come under this class is tenofovir, which having molecular formula C9H14N5O4P. Pharmacodynamics of tenofovir drug is it inhibit HIV-1 reverse transcriptase and hepatitis B polymerase. Mechanism of action: it first get hydrolyzed in liver, then gets phosphorylated to an active tenofovir diphosphate. These competitively inhibit HIV reverse transcriptase enzyme and causes termination of chain elongation after getting incorporated into viral DNA. Uses: it used to treat HIV infection and hepatitis B. It having side effects like nausea, vomiting and diarrhea. It having adverse effect like osteomalacia, which means the softening of bones. Pharmacokinetics: it having the oral absorption. Bioavailability is 20 to 40% oral. Distribution: protein binding is negligible. Volume of distribution 1.21 plus minus 0.4 liter per kg. Plasma binding is less than 7%. Metabolism organ is liver. Metabolite is tenofovir monophosphate. Excretion organ is kidney. Dose is tablet 300 mg. Dosage form is tablet. It is sold under the name Tavin 300 mg by MQR Pharmaceuticals Limited Company. which having the price 1226 of 13 tablets. Protease inhibitors. Example of this drug class is saquinavir. Protease is an enzyme which catalyzes proteins into smaller polypeptides and amino acids. Saquinavir having the molecular formula C38H50N6O5. Pharmacodynamics. It prevents HIV-1 protease activity, thus proteolysis of GAG polyprotein result in production of immature non-infectious viral proteins. Mechanism of action. Protease inhibitors act by binding to the viral protease, preventing the correct cleavage of viral proteins. They prevent HIV from being successfully assembled and released from the infected cells. Uses. It used to treat HIV infection. Side effects of saquinavir drug is diarrhea, stomach pain, nausea, vomiting and constipation. Adverse effects like stabbing, chest pain, fever, rapid heart rate and problems of breathing. Pharmacokinetics. It having the oral absorption. Bioavailability is 4% oral. Distribution in all tissues. Volume of distribution is 700 liter per kg. Plasma binding is 98%. Metabolism organ is liver and its metabolite name is M2-dihydroxylate metabolite. Excretion organ is kidney. Dose. Tablet 500 mg. Dosage form tablet. Saquinavir sold under the name Maximune 500 mg by Cipla Limited Company, which having rupees 140 for 4 tablets. Heart therapy. Heart means highly active antiretroviral therapy. It is a treatment regimen typically comprised of a combination of 3 or more antiretroviral drug. HART may also called as ART antiretroviral therapy or CART combination antiretroviral therapy. Goals of HART therapy in patient with HIV infection is reduce morbidity and mortality, improve quality of life, reduce plasma viral RNA load, prevent transmission to others, prevent drug resistance, improve immune function. Long-term use of this HART therapy can cause complications like change in body fat distribution and metabolic disturbances such as insulin resistance. These are the some drug combination used in HART therapy. We are thankful to our President, Honorable Dr. Shivajirao S. Zondale Sir, Secretary Dr. Geeta Khare Ma'am and Principal Dr. Nitin Mohire Sir for encouragement and guidance for our efficient use of social media to spread knowledge to making informative videos. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for such informative videos. Thank you.